For this one, we're going to learn how to use the stroke panel. Okay, to open up the stroke panel, go to the window and hit the little down arrow to hit stroke. That turns on the stroke panel. You're going to draw a straight line, so grab the line tool. Draw a straight line, hold the shift key, and you can make it straight. Crank up the stroke thickness. I used, I think, 4. Okay. Then you're going to turn on the dashed line option and set it to the dashes are going to be 8 points long and the gaps are going to be 8 points of a gap. So you do 8, tab, and then hit the gap 2, 8, 2, 8, 2. And you got a dashed line. That's how you make a dashed line. Draw a second line. And you're going to customize this one and make it 12, 6, 2, 6, 2, 6. So the first dash is going to be 12, and then a space of 2, no, space of 6, 2, 6, 2, 6. And you get this kind of like alternating weird custom dash. Okay, so that's how you can really customize these. Then you're going to draw a third line, except this time you're turning the caps right here to the rounded caps. When you round these off, it makes dots. Okay, and we're going to set the gaps to 0, 6, 0, 6, 0, 6. And then you get dots. And then grab the star tool or the circle tool, and you can do the same thing with other shapes, which is kind of cool. Okay. Grab the circle, draw a circle with the shift key. Now to make your dots bigger, you can increase the stroke, but then they run into each other. Okay, so that means then you need to increase the gap. So maybe for the gap for these, I want to do like 16 or something. Then you're going to draw arrows. Kind of the same thing. You start off with a line. I'm going to turn off my dashed line. I'm going to crank this down so it's thinner. And then we got arrowheads. You can have an arrow or the tail on the one end, and you can do the same with the other end. If you have it backwards, you can flip it right here. So you can flip which direction it is. And you can use the arc tool, so you got to find out where the arc tool is. Draw an arc, do the same thing with like the arc tool. And again, you can toggle it depending on which way you want it to point. Okay? So do that first, and then I'll show you part 2.